From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. Joining me today is Megan from the Bethesda Health Clinic, and today we are talking about the different services that they have to offer. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I am good. So if someone doesn't know what Bethesda Health Clinic is, just tell us a little bit about yourself and where you guys are located, that kind of stuff.
Sure. So Bethesda Health Clinic, we're a nonprofit medical and dental clinic serving the East Texas community. We have our main clinic downtown, which is where we see our adult patients, and then we also have a pediatric clinic kind of in between the old Don Juan's and Front Street. It's kind of hidden there where we take care of children, and we're here for those who would otherwise fall through the gap with healthcare. You know, our adults, they don't make enough money to really pay for their own health insurance, but they make too much to get on any kind of government assistance.
Right.
So they can come to Bethesda, and they bring most of their children to pediatrics. Mostly it's the same families, and a lot of those kids, actually 90% of those children are on Medicaid.
Okay, so do they need to schedule services with you guys, and are y'all taking new patients? How does that work?
Well, we're really excited that we are taking new patients in both clinics for adults and for children. The qualification process is a little bit different at each clinic. It's a lot of information. The easiest way is to go to our website. The adults do have to qualify, so they do have to come in through admissions and just fill out a little bit of paperwork. It's super easy. All they need is some kind of ID that says they are who they are and a check stub to make sure they fall within our income guidelines. And then for our pediatric clinic, anybody can just call and make an appointment for their child, and it's pretty easy. So we actually have a new dentist at our Tyler clinic for the adults that started today. We've been really backed up in dentistry, so we're super excited to really start getting some more patients in and taking care of their dental needs.
Yeah, and dental, medical, maybe vision, or is that included? Or
we outsource vision. We have a really great community partner at Tyler Eye Associates, and they volunteer to see our patients. So we don't do that in-house. We do medical, dental, medication, mental health, women's health. And I forgot to mention, but we also have a Lindale satellite clinic. So if you're in the Lindale, Mineola, Van area, that clinic is open a couple days a week.
Yeah, so how can other people, the community, maybe they don't need your services, but how can they help you guys maybe financially give those services to others?
Well, one big way that people can help without actually giving any money is just by telling people about Bethesda. I run into people all the time who are like, you know what, one time Bethesda helped my aunt or my sister or my spouse, and there's people everywhere who can't afford health care. It's just so common in Texas, in this area. So just mention it to anyone you can if you think that they would, fit as a patient. Otherwise, obviously, we do take donations. We depend on the community to help fund the gap between the pay that the patients do pay for their visit and the actual cost of the visit, which is pretty significant. And then we also have 3 thrift stores.
Yes.
Hangers of Hope.
And spring cleaning's right around the corner, so if you're cleaning out your house.
It's a new year, get rid of your junk.
Yes.
It'll make you feel so good to get rid of it. And if you want to buy more junk, then you can do that too.
All right. Well, where can we find more information really quick before we go?
Sure. So on our website, BethesdaClinic.org. Also, they can follow us on Facebook or Instagram.